Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new to my channel. If you are new, my name is Natalie Manassian. I am a junior at the University of North Texas studying accounting. And a little disclaimer real quick, if you guys hear background noise, they're doing construction outside, so I apologize for that, but I basically wake up to this noise like every single morning. It's Wednesday and it's currently, I think it's like 12 o'clock right now. I woke up around 9:30. I ate breakfast and I went ahead and did all my skincare, put on my favorite chapstick ever, which is this stuff, and I don't have class today, so it's basically my get things done kind of day. I have laundry to do. I need to clean my room, make my bed. Like, you guys can see this, my room. I'm not going to show you my room, but basically there's stuff all over the floor, and I do have homework to do and reading for my intermediate 1 class, which is honestly so hard for me right now. That class is really kicking my butt right now. This whole semester is, but you guys probably will see this video. I will probably upload it tomorrow morning, which will be Thursday. So today's Wednesday. I think it's the 6th, November 6th. And I will probably go to the coffee shop later to get some stuff done. While I'm waiting for my laundry to finish, I'm gonna pick up my room and just organize some stuff and probably start reading chapter 8 for accounting before I go to the coffee shop to work on my homework. So if you are new, hit that subscribe button down below so we can be one big family here on YouTube, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll post on my social media down below so you guys can we can keep in touch on social media, and I hope you enjoy this video.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again.
So I just had some lunch. I should have showed you guys my lunch, but I had some I had a salad. So I had spinach, I added jalapeno tuna, some croutons, half of an avocado, and some balsamic dressing. It was really good, but now my tongue is because I think I put too much dressing, and so it's tangy, and my tongue is like not on fire, but it's just tangy. And I don't even know what time it is. I think it's almost 2. I have just been laying in my bed procrastinating, but I'm about to head to the coffee shop and start grinding on my accounting homework. flight, and I just realized I forgot to put my contacts in. So there's that, and I don't have my glasses with me. I'm not blind, but I mean, I can see, like, I literally can read the signs and everything, but it's not like 100%. So I can't believe I always forget to put my contacts in. I don't know why. Okay, I just got to the coffee shop and it's 2:42. I'm grabbing all my stuff. Got my planner. Shop right now, and I forgot to say I wanted iced coffee, and now I have hot coffee. I don't want hot coffee. I can't believe I forgot to say iced. I cannot believe I forgot to say iced coffee. Dang it. And I hate having to like ask them to remake it because like I don't like asking them to remake it. I feel bad. So I'm just gonna have to suck it up. So I'm currently leaving the coffee shop, and it is, hold on, I'm getting in my car. It's 6:35, so I was here for a good 4.5 hours. I got most of my homework done. I have one more problem left to do. There was 16 problems total. I did 6 the other day, so I had whatever was left to do. I'm tired. and I just have one more problem left to do. So I don't know if I'm going to finish that tonight. I might do it tomorrow or Friday, but I think it's time to go home and eat dinner. So I just got home, and let me just tell you about my little car ride on the way home. So I was at a red light, and there was 2 cars in front of me, and I was turning left, but the light that I was at changes like really fast. So by the time those 2 cars turned left, when it was my turn, it was already yellow, and I knew that this light turns like colors really fast, so I wasn't gonna risk running the red light. So I like stopped right there and like waited for the next chance for me to turn. Well, the next chance, there was a green light without the green arrow, which I can still go, but I couldn't see if there was cars coming, so I wasn't gonna go if I couldn't tell if there was cars coming or not, because there was 2 other cars in the lane trying to turn left across from me, and then the lane next to them, the cars can go right or straight, and I couldn't tell if there was cars coming or not. So I just stayed, and the people behind me, there was like 2 or 3 cars behind me honking at me, and like, I'm not gonna go if I can't see if there's cars coming. Like, I'm not gonna get hit, and I'm not gonna cause an accident, and I'm not trying to risk my life, you know what I mean? People on the road, I feel like they just don't take driving seriously, and it's kind of scary. So people, be serious when you're driving, and stop pressuring other people to go just because you're in a hurry to get somewhere or whatever. It's 7:06 right now. I'm currently editing this video. I'm not sure if I'm going to post it tonight or tomorrow. I still need to take a shower, but I don't really think I need to put that in the vlog. So I'm going to take a shower and eat dinner, but I'm going to go ahead and end this vlog now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I'm currently vlogging on my iPhone 6 Plus, which this phone is super old. I'm hoping to get a new camera for Christmas. I currently don't have a vlogging camera. The only cameras I have are my Canon T3i, and I use that for makeup videos, nighttime routine videos, stuff like that. I cannot use that for vlogging because it's so big and bulky and heavy, and the other camera I have is my Sony CyberShot, which is really old, and it's not for videoing. I mean, you can take videos on it, but it's not like the best quality, and it doesn't have a flip screen, so I can't see what I'm doing when I'm vlogging, so that's like the downfall. I don't have a specific vlogging camera, so I'm hoping maybe for Christmas I can get one. Don't know which camera I want yet, but for now I'm just gonna have to vlog on my iPhone. Alright guys, I'm just gonna end this right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll put my social media down below. Go ahead and follow me, that way we can keep in touch and just be friends on social media. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.